Good day, welcome. We are looking at calculus and we are exercising to do differentiation from first principles, and in this example we will look at cubic expansion. We are asked to differentiate from first principles -2x cubed. When we have a function and we must use first principles, the first thing we must do is we must find f of x plus h. So we substitute in the place of x, x plus h. Now this is to the power of 3. A person that has a good command of the Pascal triangle will know that anything to the power of 3 will now render 1, 3, 3, 1. And I'm going to show step by step how this is applied and understood. The first thing that I must know is that -2 must be multiplied with the result of the cubic function. Remember I said our answer will take the form of 1, 3, 3, 1 according to the Pascal triangle. So I firstly want to stress and reiterate, in this example it's x plus h, so all my values inside the bracket will be positive values. From the front I will have firstly x to the power of 3, then x to the power of 2, then x to the power of 1, and x to the power of 0, which is 1, so I'm not going to write that one. Then from the back I have h to the power of 3, h to the power of 2, h to the power of 1, and now I must multiply by 2, -2. When I expand now, I get -2x cubed, -6x squared h, -6xh squared, and -2h cubed. I also want to take just one moment and show that the exponents in each of these answers adds up to 3 according to the power that it was raised to. Now I write down my formula. F prime x is equal to the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h tends to 0. Now f of x is minus 2x cubed, right? And f of x plus h is -2x cubed minus 6x squared h minus 6xh squared minus h cubed. All of this will be substituted in there, and that will be substituted in there. Please remember, if it's more than a single term, put it in brackets at the back so that you don't forget to multiply with a negative to all the terms inside of the bracket. Now I substitute, and immediately I can see here's 2 values that cancels out, and that is -2x cubed and +2x cubed will cancel out. Now I'm left with 6x squared h minus 6x h squared minus 2h cubed over h. My limit notation remains. Now I see h is a common factor. I take out h and I will eliminate the h that is underneath the line. How do I go about to do that? I'm merely cancelling them. Now I'm left with this And until I substitute the 0, my limit notation must remain. Now I'm going to substitute 0 in there. This will become 0. I will substitute 0 in there. So this will become 0. So my answer is negative 6x squared. So I write it as f prime is equal to negative 6x squared. I want to conclude in saying the following. The Pascal triangle. Learners that is not familiar with this will multiply and make lots and lots of unnecessary mistakes. So make sure that you can show them how to use the Pascal triangle for their advantage and also to save time. That they don't waste time. They need to save every moment that they can in order to complete their question papers. Make sure that this is illustrated to them frequently. Maybe do a exercise or a task or assignment or investigation of number patterns and sequences to try and see how Pascal triangle pans out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.